the grave.
Tomatoes and then some chickpea flour with some okra.
Coming from the grave.
So all I'm doing right now is just getting everything ready, cutting them up. So you got the okra right here. So I got the okra. What's going on? Yeah, it's right there. Go ahead. You good? Yeah, it's right there. Yeah, guys, it's gonna be a quick vlog right here. So I'll come back next time. You will see it in the pot and the garbanzo beans also. So there it is, guys. Tomatoes and okra. Steaming. A little bit of basil in there. Some sea salt. Just a pinch. Perfect, right? That's looking nice, smelling good. My. Smelling excellent. So you see it's bubbling down, and we'll get back when it's ready. But check this out, the flour's right there. I'm gonna mix the flour up and I'm gonna throw it right on here. But after this dries out a little bit, when it cooks down and dry out, then I'll do it. So just like that, cover it up, turn the stove down, let it steam, so it'll just steam out and a lot of the water will come out. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. So got the flour, see, got the flour mixed up.
Coming from the grave.
And I'm gonna see it's all cooked now, soft, so I'm gonna pour the flour on there. So this is it here, guys. Whoa, still hot. So let's go ahead and put it in the oven. See, that's parchment paper because it's sticky, so it won't stick to the paper because it's parchment paper. So yeah, so those baking papers, baking sheets, that's what it is, parchment baking sheets. So yeah, I'm gonna give it maybe 15 minutes or so, and then yeah, we'll come back and see what's popping, see what it's looking like. I don't even know what I'm gonna call it. Maybe pot roast or vegetable pot roast or something like that, but we'll see. So stay tuned, be back in about 15 minutes. So just so the oven is still hot, so give it about 15 minutes or so, let it cool down, then it'll be able to come off the easy off the parchment paper. Oh yeah. So next you'll see it on the plate when we come back. Stay tuned. There it is, guys. Vegetable pot roast. So you already know what to do. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and follow me on Instagram right here. See you guys in the next one.
Made it, oh made it, oh made